Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. Our journey through the mesmerizing Riverston in Matale, Sri Lanka. This place is a true hidden paradise, and I can't wait to take you along on this adventure. As we approached Riverston, the lush greenery and the serene river immediately captured our hearts. It was like stepping into a different world, far away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Clear water in Riverston, Sri Lanka, is a natural marvel that captivates visitors with its pristine beauty and tranquil ambience. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Matale, this hidden gem boasts a river of unparalleled clarity and purity. The water in Riverston is so transparent that you can see the riverbed and the smooth stones beneath, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. The clarity of the water is a testament to the unspoiled nature of this region, where pollution is minimal, allowing the river to maintain its clear appearance. The viewpoint of Riverston in Matale, Sri Lanka, is a breathtaking vantage point that offers an unrivaled panorama of the surrounding natural wonders. Perched high in the hills, this viewpoint provides a stunning perspective of the majestic Knuckles mountain range, the verdant valleys, and the winding rivers that carve through the landscape. As you stand at the viewpoint, you're greeted by a sweeping vista of undulating hills cloaked in a tapestry of vibrant greens. The Knuckles mountain range, with its distinctive peaks and lush forests, stands proudly in the distance, creating a dramatic backdrop against the canvas of the sky. For travelers seeking a moment of serenity and a chance to be humbled by the grandeur of the earth, the viewpoint of Riverston in Matale is an absolute must-visit. It's a place where you can stand on the edge of the world and be transported by the sheer majesty of the landscape before you.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Visiting the viewpoint of Riverston is an opportunity to witness nature in all its grandeur and to appreciate the awe-inspiring beauty of Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. It's a place that invites contemplation, reflection, and a deep sense of appreciation for the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel adventures. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Riverston or if you're planning a trip. Until next time, happy exploring!